Hello students, welcome to Global Online Chemistry. Today we are going to deal with our next coupling reaction is Songa-Shira reaction. This reaction is very much important and it involves formation of carbon-carbon single bond. Let's see how it will form. The statement says that Songa-Shira is a cross-coupling reaction used in organic synthesis to form carbon-carbon bond. It employs palladium as a catalyst and copper as a co-catalyst. It forms carbon-carbon single bond between terminal alkyne and aryl or vinyl halide. Means 2 points we have to remember in this video, that it is a palladium catalyzed reaction and copper is a co-catalyst. Copper used is a co-catalyst. Now look at the reaction. Reaction of an alkyl halide with terminal alkynes in presence of palladium as a catalyst and copper as a co-catalyst in presence of base, it will form R dash, means terminal alkynes are connected with this alkyl group. This is a leaving group after reaction, and we form carbon-carbon single bond, means R1, R2 is our required product. Now let's see what is the mechanism of Songa-Shira reaction. Now this is what the mechanism or coupling reaction, how it occurs. In this reaction, palladium is used as a pre-catalyst. Palladium is in a zero oxidation state. The first step is oxidative addition, of course, which is a rate determining step. After oxidative addition of alkyl halide, it forms complex first. After transmetallation, now look at this copper cycle. Copper halide react with terminal alkyne, it forms complex with copper halide and terminal alkynes. In presence of base, it undergoes transmetallation. After transmetallation followed by reductive elimination, it regenerates our palladium catalyst. Means palladium catalyst is regenerated in this reaction. So our required product is R1 triple bond R2, means R1 R2 carbon-carbon single bond is formed. Now let's see some examples of it. In this reaction, what we have to remember, if you have given a palladium as a catalyst, second one is a copper as a co-catalyst, and what would be our reactant? Reactant will be alkyl halide plus terminal alkyne. Terminal alkyne. What we have to do? Simply we have to remove halide group and connect R group to terminal alkynes, means like this. This one is your something R1 and this is your R2. Now let's see, I will show you an example. Now observe the reaction. This is what? This is a terminal alkyne and this is what? Aryl halide. Now I am going to consider this part is a R1 and this part is a R2. In presence of palladium catalyst, in presence of base and copper as a co-catalyst. By observing reaction, we come to know that this is an Songa-Shira reaction. And what is our product? R1 dash R2 or R1 R2 is our required product. Now look at the carefully, I am going to write the product. I am going to write my R1 and I have simply connected R2 with a single bond. This is our required product. Now let's see another one. Look at this example. This is also an aryl halide, terminal alkyne in presence of palladium as a catalyst and copper as a co-catalyst. By observation, we come to know that this is a Songa-Shira reaction. Now what is our duty? Our duty is to recognize R1. This part is R1 and this part is our R2. Now connect R1, R2 by a single bond. This is our R1. Now connect. This is a single bond and remaining R2 part I am writing as it is. R1, R2. This is one of easy reaction and it will ask for 4 marks in a NET or GATE or SET examination. If anyone have a doubt in such type of reaction, please comment in a comment box. If you do not like our channel yet, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching.